It's Friday the 20th, I'm FX Plu and this is CurrencyTransfer.com's market update. And the headlines to close out the week are that Fed independence is called into question as President Trump voices concerns over dollar strength and interest rate policy. Sterling tests 130 on the back of weak retail sales data, and the market considers hard Brexit. So not long ago, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell spoke about the importance of central bank independence. But last night, President Trump was on TV and waded in with his concerns over the strengthening dollar and the pace of interest rate rises. He's worried that a strong dollar puts the US at a disadvantage when China's currency is falling like a rock, and he's also concerned that the pace of interest rate hikes could hit US competitiveness in the short to medium term. The dollar index remains close to the resistance at 95.25, and the euro dollar is off yesterday's low of 115.75 and trading around 116.50 right now. Sterling, meanwhile, yesterday fell across the board. June retail sales data was weaker than expected. It came out at 0.6% last month, and the year-on-year figure is down to 2.9%. The move was also compounded when Mark Carney said that any significant shift in the prospect of hard Brexit could lead to an emergency rate cut in the UK. Cable is testing 130 as sterling touched a low of 129.60 yesterday against the dollar before recovering to close around 130.15. Sterling euro is also down around 111.70, so very much on the back foot. Behind all the short-term volatility, though, there is a little bit of support for sterling. The market seems to believe that an agreement will be reached that allows for a soft Brexit. However, as Brussels digests the Chequers proposal, the chances of an outcome that satisfies both sides are fading. The EU obviously wants the UK to remain part of the single market, but they cannot allow any flexibility over those four freedoms, freedom to movements, because other EU members need to be discouraged from any moves towards nationalism. So sterling is very much ending the week on the back foot. Any questions? Pop them in the comments below. I'll see you again next week.